mass approval, the presentment of mass approval of what was going on. Just let that roll around in your head for a moment. When a silent weapon is applied gradually, the public adjusts, adapts to the presence, and learns to tolerate its encroachment on their lives until the pressure, psychological via economic, becomes too great and they crack up. Kind of leads you to think about the frog in the boiling water. As the temperature of the water is gradually increased, the frog, unaware of his approaching demise, he adjusts. He adjusts. He rolls over until, of course, if inevitably he's cooked if he don't at some point extricate himself from that pot of boiling water. And it's the same thing can be applied to this